Bulletin. I'm Racer Ruiz.
And I'm Ryan Underwood.
Lupita Mondi Nyong'o is a Kenyan-Mexican actress. She is the recipient of several accolades, including an Academy Award and nominations for 2 Primetime Emmy Awards and a Tony Award.
She once said, "It's only when you risk failure that you discover things. When you play it safe, you're not expressing the utmost of your human experience."
Are you looking for HST for Tuesday? Are you looking into colleges that offer great scholarships and study abroad opportunities? Come check out the presentation from the admissions counselor from Century College on Tuesday during HST in room 196.
What do Bruce Willis, Mark Hamill, and Renee Zellweger have in common? They were all in drama club. Join ours every Tuesday at lunch in room 223.
And now for the weather with Julissa.
Today we will have a high of 55 with a chance of rain and a low of 41. Tomorrow we'll have a low of 35 with a high of 57, and Thursday we'll have a low of 35 with a high of 51.
Club Ed with Youth Alliance and ASB is accepting new and gently used blankets. Please take your blankets to room 341 and tell Miss Lemos you are donating. Thank you.
Joke break. What kind of shoes do frogs like to wear?
What?
Open-toed.
I see. Congratulations to our Fall Air Jam winners. In the club category, first place is Rally Club, second place is Velocity, and third place is Link Crew. In the class category, first place is sophomores, second place is juniors, and third place is freshmen, and fourth place is seniors. In the competing act category, first place is the 2016 Moosers, second place is the Sarg and Maups, and the third place is the Hollister Hotties. The community act category, first place went to the 6th graders from Hollister Prep School. Now over $300 in prizes were awarded that night, which is cool, I guess. Thank you for all the amazing acts that entered.
My girl got a minimum, keep stuck right there till the number comes. Leave a smooth operator looking like a bum. My girl's got a city to run, got the key to the kingdom where the money's from. Never seen the color yellow, never seen the sun.
And he thinks I'm the negative one.
Flags flapping in Manhattan, New Dope, New York. Gargoyles gargling oil, peak of the empire, top of the rock. Flags flapping in Manhattan, New Dope, New York. Gargoyles gargling oil, peak of the empire, top of the rock. My girl's got a little stick, keep you cool up in the kitchen while you feed the cake. Keep you waiting in the winter while the tank just ticks. My girl got a limousine, got a full-time job just to keep it clean. Got a speaker in the truck, you know where it's done. You think I'm the negative one?
The Bump Fest results are in. Here are your winners. Best Truck, Hazel Guardado. Best Classic, Thomas Gomez. Loudest Exhaust, Austin Underwood. Dirtiest, Elliot Henningsen. Best System, Yvette Alejandra Mendez. Best Paint, Thomas Gomez. Best Interior, Julian Guerin. Best to Theme, Billy Aviles. Thank you to all that entered and to those that came out to see all the cars and trucks.
Looks like that's it for today's bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember, go Balers.